Hey guys, thanks for clicking on my channel. My name is Brittany and today I'm going to be filming the KKW Beauty Nude Lip Gloss collection. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video. It's my very first one, so I'm extremely nervous and excited, and hopefully you guys like it. If not, hopefully you guys at least watch it. But with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to line my lips with her number 3 lip liner. I actually use this all the time. My light went out. Hopefully the color picks up just as good with just my ring light. Let me go ahead and line my lips. Alright, so we will start off with nude number 1. Definitely gonna have to layer that on with the gloss. It's actually starting to look good. What you guys think? Okay. I don't want to take off one right now. I think I'm just going to layer on 1.5 because they're just about the same. 1.5 is a little peachier. I like 1.5 better. So texture wise, these are super creamy. They are not sticky. As you can see, the shine is there, and then also there's no fragrance, and that's something that I love about her products because they don't actually have fragrance, and I have a sensitivity to fragrance. So they just smell like clay. But so that was 1, and then 1.5 on top, just because they're so similar. I'm gonna wipe this off, and then I'm gonna do I'm gonna wipe that off, and then I'm gonna do 2 and then 2.5. 2 and 2.5. Okay. And then I will come back. Okay, so I'm back, and I'm gonna try this again. You guys have no idea, this is my first video, and I'm crazy nervous, and I've messed up so many times, and my light went out on me because I've been taking so long to get this done. But we're just gonna finish it. I'm gonna show you guys all the glosses, and then we're gonna finish. So now I'm gonna do 2 and 2.5, and I'm gonna do it without liner, just to see what it looks like on my skin tone. So this is 2. And this is 2 without anything, like I said, super creamy. All of these are beautiful. I'm gonna wear every single one of them, no joke. The only thing about lighter colors on darker skin tones is they do that. They kind of gotta soak in. You see that? Right there. Could you imagine this with her liner? So this is nude 2, and then I'll do nude 2.5. Who doesn't love a good gloss? I've been binge watching Gossip Girl, and Serena told her cousin lipstick lasts longer, but Gloss is more fun. And I agree. These are definitely the colors that I cannot wear without lip liner. So I'm going to do, that was 2 and 2.5. I'm going to do 3. And 3.5 with liner. Because obviously these, without liner, it just doesn't do the gloss justice. Because it's actually really pretty. I don't know how it's registering on camera, but I'm using so many of KKW's products right now, like no joke. I use her bronzing palette with the highlighters. I even have that in the individual, and I do her Conceal by Brighten. I also do her mascara. Today I have on these like, I don't know if you guys care or not, but I have on these, like, I was like, I'm gonna try out these Kiss lashes. If you want me to do a review on these, let me know. But these are the Falscara. You stick them like under your eyes. I'll tell you what I think of them. What do you guys think too, if you can like see them when I look down? So this is 3. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, like this is gonna be like a go-to. Look at that. Actually, in her lipsticks, my favorites are 3 and 5. Those are like the ones that I use all the time. And then I got too excited. And then I pop like 2 or 1 like right in the center. That's something I do all the time. That's 3. 3 and 3.5. Let me see. There isn't much of a difference from 3 and 3.5. I feel like a gloss review is hard. I want to do 3.5 with no liner. Ooh, look at that. Look, no liner. So definitely 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. I need liner. When it gets up to 3, I don't need liner. I can just pop it on, and my lip gloss be popping. Ooh, that's a good theme song for this video. So this is 4. And 4 looks like my skin color in a gloss. I kind of feel like if I accidentally grabbed the wrong one, like I would still be happy. It wouldn't change my makeup look, but this looks like, I kind of like that. It looks like my skin color. Like normally I wouldn't like something that was like blending in with my face, but it's good. My favorite nude lipstick in her line, Nude 5, and it's pinky, and I love like a pinky pout. So, and it's nude pinky, so it's not too much. Yeah. Even in the gloss, 5 is beautiful. If you guys want me to, I have like a lot of her lipsticks, not all of them, but if you want me to like do a lipstick, I feel like that's old now, but if you wanted me to do like a lipstick comparison or anything at all, please just let me know. Ooh. pinky. It's pink. Okay, that was 5. Let's do 6. Okay, so this is 6. Six has that like whole mocha thing going on. I feel like 6 like definitely looks like my skin color. Okay, this is 7. It's like a mocha color. I like it. See, I knew 7 would look like real chocolatey, and it would look so pretty against the Nude 3 lip liner. Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm definitely feeling Nude 7. Like, it's giving me like chocolate vibes. Just like, I would like keep this on today. What do you think? Even though I'm not going anywhere, just did all this for the video. Okay, last but not least, Nude 8. Let's go with Nude 8. Sorry. I feel like in 8, like I own this color in a lipstick. And I honestly thought I wouldn't like it. But I actually do. I have this Anastasia Beverly Hills color that whenever I want to look kind of vampy, I use, and I don't mind the chocolate. Like, I'm feeling it. I never discredit a color in a line, because even like if you're really into makeup, even if it doesn't so much suit you, a friend may come over and it may suit her. You're like, I got something for you. Or you can mix it with something else to get the look that you want. But yeah, I don't know. So I honestly like all of these, but if I had to pick a favorite for my skin tone, I think it would definitely be, it would be 5, 7, and probably 3. And that's it for my video. Thank you guys for watching. I've never actually bought an entire collection of anything, but I'm super glad I did with the KKW beauty glosses, because I mean, you really can't go wrong with gloss, but they're so good. They look so good, and I can see myself using each and every one of them. If you want a KKW entire like KKW beauty video, let me know, because I actually use like a lot of her products. But let me know what else you guys want to see. I intend for you guys to be my new friends. So I'm gonna be putting out a lot of work and content, or at least trying for you guys, and I'm so grateful. Thanks for watching, and bye.